So question number 26. Question number 26, it is given 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. This one you have to solve. How to solve it? Can you tell me, anyone tell me how to solve this one? 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x.
Sir, rationalize we have to do.
Sir, we have to convert it into 2 cos square x by 2 by 2 sin square x by 2.
Yes, 2 cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2, this is the formula, or this is 2 sin square x by 2 dx. 2 cancel, that means cot square x by 2 dx. Now is there any formula of cot square x by 2 dx, integration formula?
No, sir, we have to convert it into cosec square x by 2 minus 1.
Okay, then it will be cosec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. That is integration of cosec square x by 2 dx minus integration of dx. So what is the formula of cosec square x by 2 dx?
The minus cot x by 2.
Minus cot x by 2 divided by half. That means minus 2 cot x by 2 minus x plus c. Here, like in differentiation, we have done ddx of sine 2x. How we have done in the differentiation? Cos 2x into 2, ddx of 2x is 2. In same way, in integration, how we have to do? Suppose you are doing integration of sine 2x. So this is equals to minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay. So here it is x by 2. So cosec square x by 2 integration is minus cot x by 2 divided by ddx of this, that is half. So ultimately it is coming 2 cot x by 2 minus x plus c. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Question number 28. Cos of x plus a divided by sine of x plus b dx. This one is very much important question. How to solve this?
Sir, in place of cos of x plus a, we can write cos of x plus b plus a minus b.
Right. Integration of cos of x plus b plus a minus b. Why I am this? Because in the denominator sine of x plus b. So if we write it like this, x plus b and a minus b, then if we apply the formula of cos of a plus b, so cos x plus b and sine will come. So we can cancel this denominator. That's why we have doing this. So this is equals to integration. Now apply the formula of cos of a plus b, that is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b divided by sine of x plus b dx. Now check this divided by this, what it will give? Cos of a minus b. This is totally constant, x is not present, so you can write it outside. Cos of a minus b, integration of cot x plus b minus sin x plus b cancel, and sine of a minus b, this is also constant term. integration of dx. Now integration of cot of x plus b, we have the formula of this is log of sine x plus b. This formula we will learn in next chapter. Now I am applying the formula. So cos of a minus b into log of sine x plus minus, here it is coming sine a minus b plus c. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question, same type of question. Integration of sine x minus alpha divided by sine x plus alpha. Question number 29. Integration of sine x minus alpha by sine x plus alpha dx. Try it in same method. Here denominator is x plus alpha. So here also you have to bring x plus alpha. So that means I can write it sine of minus alpha plus alpha minus alpha. This plus alpha minus alpha taken extra.
So sine of x plus alpha minus 2 alpha.
Right, sine of x plus alpha minus 2 alpha by sine of x plus alpha dx. Now we will apply the formula of sine of a minus b. That is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So here this cancel, cos alpha is the constant term, cos 2 alpha integration dx minus sine 2 alpha into integration of cot of x plus alpha dx. Now here x will come. So x cos 2 alpha minus formula of integration of cot of x plus alpha is log of sine x plus alpha. So minus sine 2 alpha into log sine x plus alpha plus c. Understood?
Yes, sir.
We now try this one. Question number 32. 2 minus 3 sine x divided by cos square x dx.
So we can do it by dividing.
Yes, by dividing you can do.
So 2 sec square x minus 3 10x sec x.
Integration of 2 sec square x minus 3 tan x sec x dx. That is 2 integration sec square x dx minus 3 integration sec x tan x dx. So here the formula is tan x, that is 2 tan x, and here the formula is sec x, 3 sec x plus c. Now the next chapter is method of substitution. Like in differentiation also we have done, whenever the functions are given too large, we have to substitute it and then we have to differentiate. In integration also, when direct formulas are not there, we have to substitute and bring it into the formula. like this. If it is given integration of 3x plus 5 whole to the power 7 dx. Here we do not have any direct formula of this. We have the formula of x to the power n. So that's why if I am let 3x plus 5, if I am taking as t, and then if I am taking differential of both sides, what we will get? Differential, how to take? Just we have to differentiate both sides, and with respect to which variable we are differentiating, that variable you have to write. That means if this side I am differentiating with respect to x, what it will become? 3 dx. Since we are differentiating with respect to x, so I am writing here dx. If you differentiate it, you will get 3. So 3 dx is equals to this side, it is a function of t, so you will get here dt. That means the value of dx is dt by 3. This is the value of dx. So now if we replace all the values, this we have taken as t, so it will become t to the power 7, and dx means dt by 3. That means 1 by 3 t to the power 7 dt. Now it looks like same as x to the power n. So the formula is t to the power 8 by 8 plus c. Now we have to replace this t. So what we will get? Here we will get 1 by 24, 3x plus 5 to the power 8 plus c. Understood?
So that means the coefficient
Yes,
of x
sir.
will be in the denominator.
Yes. Coefficient of x, that means differentiation of the variable, it will come in the denominator.
Okay, sir.
Differentiation of this function, it will come in the denominator. Directly also you can do, like if you are doing integration of sec square 3x plus 5 dx, sec square 3x plus 5 dx. So what is the formula of integration of sec square x dx? Tan x. So this you can directly write tan 3x plus 5, because here the variable is 3x plus 5, but you have to divide it by the differentiation of this, that is ddx of 3x plus 5 is 3. So this will be the answer. This is direct method, but if you
Sir,
do it by
similarly
taking
like chain rule.
variable, yes,
Similarly like the chain rule we have done.
yes, similarly like chain rule, but here the differentiate value will be in denominator. You have to divide it. So if we follow the chain rule, like choosing let 3x plus 5 equals to t, so 3 dx equals to dt, that is dx equals to 1 by 3 dt. Now if you replace this, it will come sec squared t dt by 3, that is 1/3 sec squared t dt equals to 1/3 tan t plus c. Now put the value of t, 1/3 tan 3x plus 5 plus c. So for this type of problem, you can do directly, but few problems you will get where you cannot do directly. That time you have to let compulsory. Like if I am giving this one, integration of e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x squared dx. This you cannot do directly unless and until you substitute it. So how to substitute here? Which one we have to take t? You have to take t, that variable, where by differentiating you will get the another function. See here, if we take tan inverse x equals to t, so ddx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equals to dt. Now check, this 1 by 1 plus x square is present in the given function. So in place of dx by 1 plus x square, you can easily put dt. That means this will become e to the power t dt. That is equals to e to the power t plus c equals to e to the power tan inverse x plus c. Similarly, if it is given integration of log x by x plus dx, so which one you will take? T. Definitely you have to take log x equals to t, because if you differentiate it, you will get 1 by x dx equals to dt. So in place of 1 by x dx by x, you can write dt. So it will become integration of t dt. Why? Because dx by x is equals to dt. So that I have replaced. That means t square by 2 plus c is equals to log x whole square plus c. Understood? Here half also will come. Half log x whole square plus.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, now I'm giving one problem, exercise problem. Try to solve. Integration of 1 by x square cos 1 by x dx. 1 by x square cos 1 by x dx. Which one you have to let t? Which one you will let as t? Check. If you differentiate 1 by x, what you will get here? Minus 1 by x square. So let 1 by x equals to t. Therefore, minus 1 by x square dx equals to dt. That is 1 by x square dx equals to minus dt. Now, if you replace, so what you will get? Minus integration of cos t dt. Check it, whether you are getting this or not. Minus integration cos t dt. Are you getting? And what
Yes,
is the
sir.
integration formula of cos x dx? Sin x. That means it will become sin t dt, sin t plus c. Now put the value of t. That is minus sine of 1 by x plus c. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Integration of tan root x sec square root x divided by root x dx. Which one you have to let here as t?
Sir, root x.
No. Here you have to let tan root x equals to t. Why tan root x? Because if you differentiate tan, what you will get? Sec square x dx. ddx of tan x is sec square x dx. So ddx of tan root x, yes.
Sir, we can also take t is equal to sec square x.
No. If you take t equals to sec square x, sec square root x, and then if you differentiate it with, you are getting tan root x or not? You are not getting.
Yeah.
So you have to let that variable equals to t, which brings another variable, another function. So if you let tan root x equals to t and differentiate both sides, here you will get sec square root x into ddx of root x
So
1
1 by
by
2.
dx equals to dt. Now check. Sec square root x by root x dx is equals to 2 dt. We can easily replace now. Tan root x we have taken as t. Sec square root x by root x into dx is equals to 2 dt. So 2 I can write outside and dt here. So 2 integration t dt, that means 2 into t square by 2 plus c. 2 cancel. Now put the value of t, that is
Square root
tan x whole square plus c. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question number.
Sir, can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Next question, integration of 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x dx. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x dx. How to do this? You just break tan into sine and cos. So if you break it into sine and cos, here you are getting 1 plus sine x by cos x, 1 minus sine x by cos x. That means integration cos x plus sine x by cos x minus sine x dx. This you are getting. Now tell me which one you have to take as t. See, if you let cos x minus sine x is equals to t, and then if you differentiate, what you will get, ddx of cos x is minus sine x, ddx of sine x is cos x, dx equals to dt. Minus if you take common, so minus of sine x plus cos x dx equals to dt. That means cos x plus sine x equals to dx equals to minus dt. Now you can easily replace. So here you will get minus dt by t. Formula of this is log minus log t plus c. That is minus log cos x minus sine x plus c. This is the answer. This problem you can do by different method also. So in integration, remember, different answer you may get. Okay, if you do it by different method, you may get different answer.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we will write there, sir, tan pi by 4 plus x, then
Yes,
sir,
that only I am telling you. So if you write tan pi by 4, you will get integration of tan of x plus pi by 4. This formula.
yes, sir, then putting the integration of tan x.
Yes, that means sine of x plus pi by 4 by cos of x plus pi by 4 also you can write. Now ddx of cos x minus sine. So this you can write minus log cos x plus pi by 4 plus c. This is also one answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now one very important result. Integration denominator and ddx of the denominator dx, if it is present, then what you will write here, you will get log of denominator. if the differentiation value of the denominator present in the numerator. So directly you can write here log of this. That means if suppose it is given integration of x cube by 3x square dx. So this you can write log of x cube. Understood? Whatever present in the denominator, if ddx of that present in the numerator, so you can write log of denominator. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Integration of 1 minus sine 2x divided by x plus cos square x dx. How to do this? 1 minus sine 2x divided by x plus cos square x dx. Which one here we have to let as t? Definitely here we have to let x plus cos square x as t, because if you let x plus cos square x as t and differentiate, ddx of x is 1, ddx of cos square x is 2 cos x into ddx of cos x, that is minus sin x dx equals to dt. That means 1 minus sine 2x dx equals to dt. 2 sin x cos x formula is sine 2x. Now check this one present here in the numerator. So you can write it integration of dt by t. And what is the formula of this log t? ddx of the denominator present in numerator. So this is equals to log t plus c equals to log of x plus cos square x plus c. Understood? Next question, integration of x square by, all these questions are from exercise number 13A of R.S. Agarwal. This is the question. X square by 1 plus x to the power 6 dx. How to solve this one? Which one we have to take
Sir,
as
1
t?
plus x to the power 6.
No, if you let 1 plus x to the power 6 as t, then you will get here 6x to the power 5 dx equals to dt, but x to the power 5 is not present. We have to bring x squared dx. So if you let x cube is equals to, if you let x cube equals to t, then what you will get 3x squared dx equals to dt. That means x squared dx equals to dt by 3. So now this one you can write x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. That means x square dx is dt by 3. So integration dt by 3 divided by 1 plus t square. That means 1 by 3 outside, integration dt by 1 plus t square. And formula of this we have. What is the formula? dt by 1 plus t square integration.
Sir, tan inverse x.
Right.
Tan inverse t.
Tan inverse t. So equals to 1/3 tan inverse t plus c is equals to 1/3 tan inverse x cube plus c. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Integration of x root under x square minus 1 dx. X root under x square minus 1 dx. How to solve this? Which one you have to let?
So root over x square minus 1.
If you let only x square minus 1 is equals to t square, then if you differentiate, what you will get? Here you will get 2x dx is equals to 2t dt. That means x dx is equals to t dt. So here what you will get? In the place of x dx, you have t dt. And root under x square minus 1 means t. So ultimately you are getting t square dt. That is equals to t cube by 3 plus c. And that is equals to, what is the value of t? T equals to x square minus 1 to the power half. So t cube means x square minus 1 to the power 3 by 2, 1/3 plus c. Understood?
Yes, sir.
A few more formulas you have to learn. Direct formula of integration of tan x dx. Very much important formula. This is equals to minus log cos x plus c. Integration of cot x dx equals to log of sin x plus c. Integration of sec x dx equals to log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Or you can write it log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. In general, we will use this formula. If proof is given, then we have to use this formula. If in proof right hand side it is in this form, then only we use this formula. Otherwise, most of the question we have to use first formula. Integration of cosec x dx is equals to log of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or log of tan x by 2 plus c. So all these trigonometric formula we have to learn. Okay. So practice the question from exercise 13A of RS Agarwal. If you have any queries and doubts, tell me in tomorrow's class. I will solve those. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.